Okay, so Saturday night, Jason and I went to the UT baseball game. And we were sitting in the porch. All right, we had tickets with some people that Jason's trying to do some business with. And we were in the porch, and there's like 3 levels of the porch at the UT games. And it's out in, I think he said we were in left field. I don't know, we were just at the baseball game, right? So it's like the 7th or 8th inning, we're winning, we're all really excited, and you know, it's kind of winding down. So I'd moved up and I was sitting at, like, they've got this like countertop kind of on the front of the box of the porch. And I was sitting there and I was just chatting with some of the people, and all of a sudden I heard the baseball hitting the bat, right? And you just know, like, that's a hit. Like, and so everybody's excited and we're looking for the ball. Y'all, I looked up and I saw that ball, and I'll never forget it. It looked like it was in slow motion. It was just right there in front of me. It was just, I mean, I just knew it was coming right at me. I just knew it was coming right at me. And it was just a split second after we heard it. I looked up and I saw it. And so Jason was sitting next to me right here, and I leaned over to him and I covered my head like that. And when I did, I leaned over and I covered my head, you know, so hopefully my head didn't get hit. I left all of this open and exposed and unprotected, and I got hit right there by the baseball. And I was sitting like kind of close to that counter, and there's like a net on the counter so that if the baseball comes in, you know, it protects your leg, right? We never found the baseball. I mean, it hit me, and then it didn't go to the next level. It wasn't in our porch box thing. So the only thing we can figure is that it went between like the countertop and that net. So I don't know what the chances are. I don't know if I need to go get a lottery ticket or what, but I don't know what the likelihood is that it hits me in the side and then goes down this tiny little crack. I mean, it would have had to have some pretty good aim, but we never found it. Some of the young boys went down underneath the bleachers and looked, and they never found it. So I don't know what happened to that baseball. But this morning, you know, I keep looking for a bruise, can't see anything. And this morning I thought, I'm going to take a picture of it. And sure enough, in the picture, you can see I've got this bruise, baseball-sized bruise, and it does hurt. When I carry the girls, I carry them on my right side, and Reagan, I don't know, but I don't feel it with her. But when I pick up Madison and I'm holding her on my right side, I feel it. But otherwise, just sitting here, it doesn't hurt. It's fine. I'm fine. But I do feel it when I'm holding Madison, and there is a bruise there. So I'll let you know tomorrow if the bruises come on up. But I got whacked by a baseball at the UT game Saturday night. It was not a pleasant experience, but if I just sat there, if I sat still, I'm pretty sure if I just sat there, it would have just landed in my lap. Or it would have hit my face. So I'm glad I didn't get hit in the face with the baseball. But it was a great story, and that's how it happened. Okay, Mason has obviously found the horn on this tractor, so I'm gonna go get Mason, and we're heading in for dinner. Y'all have a great evening.